Good day. I am a citizen of the world. I am Dahan James Mark. I am already 20 years old. I was born in Porok Ono, Barangay Basiao, Garcia Hernandez Bohol. I live in Barangay Basiao, Garcia Hernandez Bohol. I am taking BSMT or Bachelor of Science Marine Transportation. This year, I am second year. Connect yourself to the world. I choose mention one country you want to visit and explain why. One country I would love to visit is Japan because I am fascinated by its delicious food and unique culture. Japanese cuisine such as sushi, ramen, and tempura is popular all over the world, and I would love to experience authentic dishes in their home country. I am also very interested in Japan's rich traditions, beautiful temples, and advanced technologies, and respectful way of life. As an anime lover, visiting Japan will be a dream come true for me, especially because it is a birthplace of anime and manga. I would enjoy exploring places like Tokyo and Akihabara, where anime culture is very vibrant. Japan is a country that perfectly matches my interests and passion. In the future, I hope to become a seaman and travel around the world. It has always been my dream to work on a ship and explore different countries and cultures. Being a seaman requires courage and discipline and responsibility, and I am willing to work hard to achieve this goal. I believe that this career will not only help me grow stronger and more independent, but also allow me to support my family someday. I hope I can stand on the deck on a ship looking the wide ocean, proud and I am made my dream come true. Why it is important to learn about world culture and geography. It is important to learn about world culture and geography because it helps us to understand the diversity of people and places around the world. By learning about different cultures, we develop respect and appreciation for other traditions, beliefs, and way of life. This knowledge also reduces misunderstandings and promote peace and cooperation among countries. Studying geography helps us to understand how the world is connected, including climates, natural resources, and global issues. I am not just living in one place. I am part of the world.